Good evening. Public Health Superintendent Professor Shaman Gauci said a patient who recovered from COVID-19 back in April has tested positive for the virus again yesterday, making this the first case in Malta. The patient had tested positive on April 13th and recovered on April 27th during the first wave of the pandemic. However, the person tested positive again on Thursday. Meanwhile, Professor Gauci said an increasing number of elderly people are being treated for COVID-19 following an outbreak in 3 residential facilities. Some 32 cases are in St. Joseph's Home in Vgura, 13 in Casa Antonia Nursing Home in Balzan, and 2 are in Casa San Paolo in Bugibba. She said most are residents but some are staff members. A further 4 patients aged over 80 are also being treated in the infectious disease unit at Mater Dei, with 3 described as not being in a stable condition. Professor Gauci was delivering her weekly update as she announced 43 new cases of COVID-19 and 30 recoveries. Prime Minister Roberta Bela said the migration crisis cannot continue to be tackled boat by boat, and the European Union cannot continue to leave countries such as Malta and Italy to fend for themselves. Speaking during a joint media conference together with the leaders of Southern Europe during the summit MET7 in Corsica, Dr. Abela said the pressures on the migratory route in the center of the Mediterranean have been increasing for some time. The problem, he said, was not being given the importance it deserved on the European Union agenda, and although the assistance some countries were giving was acknowledged, there could not continue to be frequent cases of migrants left on boats in the middle of the Mediterranean, usually because of a lack of agreement. The summit had earlier discussed the sanctions against Turkey at the European Union's next summit if the Turkish government ignored the dialogue on escalating tensions in the region.